everybody, Cindy A. Lewis here. Welcome to my channel. Tonight's video is I'm going to take you on a tour through a daily deal from Salena at Amour Fabrics. I am so excited to share this with you. This is a vintage daily deal. So let's just jump right in. Thank you for joining tonight, and it's going to be a fun one. Thanks. All of this is from Salena in her Etsy shop. This is her daily deal. I think she does those about once a week or so, but this was from about a couple weeks ago, and she does really some beautiful fabrics. She finds some wonderful things. So this has like some thread and some pretty fabrics in here. And then I wanted it because it was the vintage set. So this is a beautiful postcard. I don't know how old it is, but it is really nice. And then we're just gonna dig in and look at all this vintage goodness so that she's included here in this packet. So I'm gonna take that sticker. We're gonna open it here and just flip through all the goodies. So this is some pages from an old book that she included. These would be really fun to make into even some envelopes, right? And look at some poems, and look at these book pages. Oh my goodness, how lovely. These would be great for a journal, especially a botanical themed one. Oh, look at that. Lovely. What is love? And so anyway, she does these fun deals and all kinds of neat stuff. So I love this. And this must be some wonderful poetry book that she was able to find too. So I'm going to set that here. That's out of that one. And then this is the big packet here. Okay, all of this was in the one little packet. So here's a cool old envelope. I don't think anything's in it. It's just the envelope. Yep. Look at that stamp. Nice. From 1969. And then here's some book pages. Fun. Look at that. These are really aged too. I don't know how old they are, but they are old. Oh, look at this. Now, is this onion paper? Maybe. It's very aged. Really cool. And then look at this big book page. Louisville, Kentucky. Is anybody from there? 1883, 1897. Some of these pictures are really old. Very cool. And then some music. 1908. The music is from 1918, 1932, but I don't know how old the actual book page is. Then here is an invoice from 1980 and a fun map. Here's another one. I use maps still, do you? Here's a collection sheet from 1973. Look. It's like going through a history museum myself. And there's that one. And here's a typed memo. Oh my goodness. Oh wow, that's pretty cool. And then here is another letter. Acknowledge the receipt of your check. Oh wow. Very cool. Then we've got this envelope. It's just an empty envelope. And then some papers, some ledger papers. These are browning on the corners, that's for sure. And then here's some of the green ledger paper. Nice. And then this is like a paper bag. Very cool. Look at that. Very nice. It's just fun to look at these things. I should put some music in the background. I probably will. And then some typing paper. And what is this one? This is a notarize from a pad for a notary. Another those thin onion papers, I think. And then this is maybe an invoice type, job name or number, or, and look at that, old typed pages. Looks like a script almost. And then some more music. I love old music. It's really fun. And then some doilies. This is a lot of fun going through here. And then this beautiful paper here. And then there is another, yet another. So let's see what all's in here. Oh my goodness. So a card with some thread. Make your own journal, right? And then this is a clip for, you fold it up and you put your papers on it. That's what that is. And here is the part that goes to that to keep it. Look at, these are old cards. How cute those are. A little envelope. If you are a vintage lover, you know. And then here's some stamps. Look at that. That envelope. That is awesome. Then guest checks. This is an old card, old Christmas card. And here is another little one. Look at that. All right, what do we have here? And okay, I'm not quite sure. Airport diagram. These are diagrams, two different. Memphis Airport, maybe. That's interesting. Look at this big, huge jumbo card. And then this is this just a scorecard, score pages, and then a fun little printed little bag, contract score pad. That's probably what that other was. There's a little divider for like an an index card, one of those boxes, and then your Rolodex cards. And here's a couple more postcards. I have another vintage haul to share with you too. And then this some old envelopes. Wow, it's really cool. Walk down memory lane. Things you would never have seen, and that someone else touched, and how neat to put that in something you're creating. Some invoices, some bridge scorecard. Oh, an old bingo card. How cool is that? More postcards. When postcards were 14 cents. Look at these old envelopes. The Jimmy Carter, Lyndon B. Johnson, and Harry Truman stamps on it from Washington, D.C. in 1977. And then here's some more envelopes. How cool are those? Oh, more. American inventors. Look at these cool envelopes. Those are really neat. Look at that. Oh, there's something in this one. I want to open it. I want to be careful. I'm not going to do it right now. And then this one, United Nations, a key tag, and then a receipt from 1979. This is just one that's not used. And an 1881 tax receipt for $18.69. And then what they got, $2.17 off, so $16.52. Wow. More envelopes, blank ones. And that is it. I hope you enjoyed this little vintage unboxing from the Daily Deal at Amour Fabrics on Etsy. This is Selena, and she has some beautiful things. So I will post a link down to her Etsy shop so that you can check it out. I think she has a YouTube channel as well, so I'll post that. And I hope you have a great night.